Monthly dividend stocks to buy in 2020 and hold forever. Coronavirus discount. Today I will show you how to profit from coronavirus attack. Stack on hand sanitizer and resell on Amazon. Just joking. We are officially out of bullish market. Dow Jones plunges 20%, having worst week since 1987. Panic, panic, panic. Sell, sell, sell. Joking again, guys. I think I deserve the like button for intro like this. These are monthly paying dividend stocks that you should add to your portfolio because I know I will. 1. STAG Industrial, STAG. Market cap for this stock is $4.1 billion, 3.42% compound annualized dividend growth for last 5 years, 4.59% annual dividend yield, 78.56% payout ratio. Last 30 days, this stock dropped 36%. At the moment of making this video, stock is $20.50. 2. SPHD. Market cap for this stock is $4.1 billion, 3.42% compound annualized dividend growth for last 5 years, 5.5% annual dividend yield. Last 2 years, this stock raised their dividend for 7%. They are on discount right now for $31. 3. Realty Income Corporation. Market cap $19 billion, dividend yield 3.8%, with some 5,900 rental properties, chiefly in the retail space. Since 1995, the company has been paying monthly dividends. Discount price of this stock is $55, thanks to Corona. 4. Apple Hospitality REIT, APLE. Did you heard about hotel REITs? If you didn't, you probably heard about some of these hotels or stayed in them. Do you know what I'm talking about now? Market cap of $1.42 billion, dividend yield of 13% for price of one Starbucks coffee. If you don't buy nothing of these, at least don't miss this stock, please. 5. Shaw Communications, SJR. Canadian cable company has succeeded in growing its dividends for more than 10 years, thanks to its multiple business lines that include broadband internet, Wi-Fi, digital phone services, and video services. Market cap $9.851 billion, dividend yield 4.56%, on discounted price of $13.38.